Hi there, Mike Johnson here from Owasco RV Center in Bowmanville, Ontario. Today I'm going to talk to you about the 2023 39T Jayco Embark. Come around this side up front, you can see that we've got a generator compartment, self-contained. This is on the 22.5 tires. It's a rear Cummins diesel with a Spartan K2 chassis and a 6-speed Allison transmission. We got 2 slides on the driver's side, one for the bedroom, one for the living room. Full compartment storage for the basement all the way around. At the back, got a trailer hitch here that you can tow your fancy car with you to Florida. More basement storage all the way around this side, leading right up into the entry door, and a full wall slide on this side as well. Outdoor entertainment center with a TV and a stereo, and 5 easy steps up into the living area. So a couple of nice little features. As soon as you walk into the coach, there's a nice drawer here that you can keep sandals in, or maybe the dog leashes and toys. And then there's a nice little switch here, so when your passenger is riding along in the front seat beside you, you can put this step out, bring it up to floor level, so their feet aren't dangling and it's a little more comfortable. Okay, once we're inside the Embark, you've got nice big comfy chairs where you drive. You can see they swing around so they become part of the passenger area. Some nice theater seating, which is across from the TV. A nice 4-person dinette that folds down into a bed. And a nice big comfy couch that also converts into a bed. So once you're in the cockpit, you can see you've got full instrumentation here with your leveling system for the coach. Back here a little bit further, you've got your day and night shades that are up over your sun visor to either block out at nighttime or to just resist some of the sunshine during the day. Nice full instrumentation panel here that is easy to read during the daytime, easy to read at night, nice and colorful. Your electronic transmission here for your 6-speed Allison transmission. And then over here is a full camera system for your backup, your side mounts, your front camera, and your overhead 360-degree camera. As you come further back into the coach, you've got lots of counter space, an overhead convection microwave, a 2-burner cooktop, which is an induction. On this side of the coach, you've got your instrumentation panel that covers all your lighting, your slides, your thermostat, your generator, all that kind of fancy stuff. And then in here, you've got a nice 2-piece guest bathroom. Right across from a 3-door residential fridge with all kinds of space. Now we're at the rear of the couch, and in behind your double-pocketed doors, you've got a nice big king bed. Nice TV and wardrobe across from the bed. And then as we step into the back, we've got a nice 3-piece bath with a tall stand-up shower. Lots of vanity and cupboard space. And then hiding behind here is your 2-piece washer dryer and your toilet with a nice big window. Keep it bright inside. This is the 2023 Jayco Embark 39T at Owasco RV Center in Bowmanville, Ontario. My name's Mike Johnson. I can be reached at 647-915-3015. Give me a call. We'll book your appointment. We'll take a tour.